This is gonna blow your mind. The sun is a giant ball of energy. It is the heart of our solar system, a massive nuclear reactor that has been burning for over 4.6 billion years. Every second, it fuses about 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium, releasing an immense amount of energy in the process. Every day, it showers our planet with an incredible amount of power. This energy travels through space and reaches Earth in the form of sunlight, which is essential for life as we know it. Without the sun, our planet would be a frozen wasteland, incapable of supporting the diverse ecosystems we see today. The Earth receives enough energy from the sun in 1 hour to power the entire world for a year. This staggering fact highlights the potential of solar energy. If we could harness just a fraction of this energy, we could meet all our energy needs without relying on fossil fuels. That's a lot of energy. Imagine the possibilities if we could effectively capture and utilize this abundant resource. From powering our homes and businesses to fueling our transportation systems, the sun's energy could revolutionize the way we live. This makes solar power a very promising source of clean, renewable energy. Solar panels, which convert sunlight into electricity, are becoming more efficient and affordable. Advances in technology are making it easier for individuals and communities to adopt solar power, reducing their carbon footprint and contributing to a more sustainable future. Solar energy is constantly replenished. Unlike fossil fuels, which take millions of years to form and are being depleted at an alarming rate, solar energy is available every day. As long as the sun continues to shine, we will have access to this clean and abundant energy source. Unlike fossil fuels, it won't run out. This makes solar energy a reliable and sustainable choice for our energy future. By transitioning to solar power, we can reduce our dependence on non-renewable resources and mitigate the environmental impact of energy production. This makes it a sustainable choice for our energy future. Solar power, along with other renewable energy sources like wind and hydro, can help us build a cleaner, greener world. By investing in solar energy, we are investing in the health of our planet and the well-being of future generations. Harnessing this power is key to a cleaner, greener future. By embracing solar energy, we can reduce greenhouse gas emissions, combat climate change, and create a more sustainable and resilient energy system. The sun's potential is vast, and it is up to us to tap into this incredible resource for the benefit of all. Solar panels are used to capture the sun's energy. These panels are made up of smaller units called solar cells, usually made of silicon. Silicon is a material that is good at conducting electricity. When sunlight hits a solar cell, it knocks electrons loose. These electrons then flow through an electrical circuit, creating an electric current. This process of converting sunlight directly into electricity is called the photovoltaic effect. Switching to solar power is a big task. One of the main challenges is that sunlight is not always available. It varies depending on the time of day and the weather. Cloudy days mean less electricity from solar panels. This variability makes it difficult to rely solely on solar energy. We need ways to store the energy for when the sun isn't shining. Developing reliable and efficient energy storage solutions is crucial for the widespread adoption of solar power. Storing solar energy is important for consistent power. Batteries are one way to store this energy. They can power homes and businesses at night or on cloudy days. Advances in battery technology are making them more efficient and affordable. Another storage option is pumped hydro. This method uses excess solar energy to pump water uphill. When energy is needed, the water flows downhill, generating electricity. Finding ways to store large amounts of energy is important for the future of solar power. Section 5. Efficiency and cost. Hurdles to overcome. Solar panels are getting better, but they are not perfect. Despite significant advancements in solar technology, there are still several challenges that need to be addressed to make solar energy a more viable and widespread solution. One of the primary issues is efficiency. Solar panels can only convert a fraction of the sunlight they receive into electricity. This means that a lot of the potential energy from the sun is not being utilized. This is called their efficiency. Currently, most commercial solar panels have an efficiency rate of around 15–20%. While this is a significant improvement from earlier models, there is still a lot of room for growth. Improving the efficiency of solar panels is an ongoing area of research. Scientists and engineers are constantly working on new materials and technologies to increase the amount of sunlight that can be converted into usable electricity. Another significant hurdle is the cost. The cost of solar panels has come down significantly in recent years, making them more affordable for many people. However, the initial investment can still be a barrier for some individuals and businesses. The upfront cost of purchasing and installing solar panels can be quite high, even though they can save money in the long run by reducing electricity bills. This initial expense can deter people from making the switch to solar energy. As technology improves and production costs decrease, solar power is becoming more accessible to a wider range of consumers. Government incentives and subsidies can also help to offset the initial costs, making solar energy a more attractive option for many. Additionally, advancements in solar technology are leading to the development of more efficient and cost-effective solar panels. Innovations such as bifacial panels, which can capture sunlight from both sides, and perovskite solar cells, which promise higher efficiency rates, are paving the way for the future of solar energy. Overcoming these hurdles is crucial for the widespread adoption of solar energy. As we continue to innovate and improve, solar power has the potential to become a major player in the global energy market, providing a clean, renewable source of electricity for generations to come. Section 6. Land and Politics. The practical barriers. Solar farms need space. Large solar farms require significant land areas. This can sometimes compete with other land uses, such as agriculture. Finding suitable locations for large-scale solar installations is essential for maximizing energy production. The transition to solar power can be politically challenging. The fossil fuel industry has a lot of power and influence. They may resist the shift to renewable energy sources. Overcoming these political barriers requires public support and government action. Section 7. Bright spots on the horizon. Despite the challenges, there are many positive developments in the world of solar power. Researchers are constantly working to improve solar technology. New materials and designs are making solar panels more efficient and durable. Floating solar farms are a new and innovative way to generate solar power. These farms are built on bodies of water, saving land space. They also benefit from the cooling effect of the water, which can increase efficiency. Section 8. A global impact. Solar power has the potential to transform lives around the world, especially in developing countries. Many of these countries have abundant sunlight, but limited access to electricity. Solar energy offers a clean and affordable solution for bringing power to remote and underserved communities. By reducing reliance on fossil fuels, solar power can help mitigate climate change. This is a global issue that requires collective action. Transitioning to renewable energy sources like solar is crucial for reducing greenhouse gas emissions and protecting our planet. Section 9. A solar-powered future. Imagine a world powered by the sun. A world where every rooftop, every building, and every vehicle is equipped with solar panels, capturing the abundant energy that the sun provides every day. It seems like science fiction, but it might be closer than we think. Advances in solar technology are happening at a rapid pace, making it more efficient and affordable than ever before. Solar energy has the potential to meet a significant portion of our energy needs, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and decreasing greenhouse gas emissions. This shift could lead to a cleaner, healthier planet for future generations. But it requires a concerted effort. Communities, businesses, and governments must work together to make solar power a viable and widespread energy source. We need to invest in research and development, improve energy storage solutions, and create more efficient solar panels. Innovations in battery technology are crucial to store solar energy for use when the sun isn't shining. Additionally, we must create policies that support the growth of solar power. Incentives for solar panel installations, subsidies for research, and regulations that promote renewable energy can accelerate the transition to a solar-powered future. With dedication and innovation, we can harness the sun's energy to create a brighter future. Imagine children growing up in a world where clean energy is the norm and the air is free from pollution. The sun is a powerful force, providing more energy in a single hour than the entire world uses in a year. It's time we fully utilize its potential. By embracing solar power, we can pave the way for a sustainable and prosperous future for all.